Story-based. English practice. Reading. Listening. Questions and answers. In a quiet corner of the forest, where the grass whispered in the wind and the trees stood tall, lived a little firefly named Luma. She had the brightest glow among all the fireflies, and every night, she danced in the air, spreading light wherever she went. One evening, as Luma flickered her golden glow, a spider named Eric watched her from his web. Eric was clever but also full of envy. He had always wished for a glow like Luma's, but no matter how much he spun his web, he remained in the shadows. I must catch that firefly, Eric thought. If I trap her, perhaps her glow will be mine. So, Eric carefully weaved a nearly invisible web between the branches of an old oak tree. He knew that Luma, busy enjoying her flight, might not notice. That night, as Luma danced freely in the air, she suddenly felt something sticky wrap around her wings. She had flown straight into Eric's trap. Eric crawled toward her and smirked. Now, little firefly, your glow belongs to me. But Luma, despite being caught, stayed calm. Oh, Eric, do you really think you can steal my glow? She asked kindly. Eric hesitated. Of course. If I keep you here, your light will shine for me forever. Luma smiled softly. My glow does not come from my body, but from my heart. Even if you trap me, you will never shine like I do. Eric blinked. He had never thought about that before. He realized that taking something from others would not make him special. Feeling ashamed, he gently freed Luma from his web. I'm sorry, he said. I was jealous, but now I see that everyone has their own special gift. I should find my own way to shine. Luma nodded. That's right, Eric. Instead of trapping others, use your skills to create something beautiful. From that day on, Eric stopped spinning traps and instead created wonderful webs that shimmered with morning dew. And Luma? She continued to dance freely, her light shining even brighter. Moral of the story. True beauty and light come from within. Trying to take from others will never make you shine. Instead, focus on your own talents and let them grow. Story-based questions. Question 1. What was the name of the firefly in the story? Option is A. Eric, B. Luma, C. Zara, D. Flicker. Correct answer is B. Luma. Question. Why did the spider, Eric, want to trap Luma? Option is A. He wanted a friend. B. He wanted to steal her glow. C. He was hungry. D. He wanted to protect her. Correct answer is B. He wanted to steal her glow. Question 3. How did Luma escape from the web? Option is A. She broke free by herself. B. Another firefly saved her. C. Eric realized his mistake and freed her. D. The wind blew her out of the web. Correct answer is C. Eric realized his mistake and freed her. Question 4. What lesson did Eric learn at the end of the story? Option is A. Stealing from others is the best way to shine. B. True beauty comes from within, and everyone has their own special gifts. C. Fireflies should avoid spiders. D. Traps are the best way to catch light. Correct answer is B. True beauty comes from within, and everyone has their own special gifts. Question 5. What did Eric do after learning his lesson? Option is A. He spun beautiful webs instead of traps. B. He left the forest. C. He tried to catch another firefly. D. He stopped making webs altogether. Correct answer is A. He spun beautiful webs instead of traps.
If you liked English practice, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.